It is my why. Okay, it is my why. When you don't have a why, you will do things anyhow. I will keep explaining until everyone understand. Not everyone, until those that can catch will catch it. Person when dog they pursue, and person when lion they pursue, not be the same race that they run. Nah, there's no way they will run the same race. Never, not on this planet Earth. So for me, my hunger is so much. Like, my hunger is so much. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry that these people that are bullying me, I will eat them up for lunch. I will eat them up. I go eat now. Don't try that nonsense with me. I work like mad. I know people say, oh, it's not about hard work, don't worry. It's not about prayer, don't worry. Anyone you want to tell me about, your father may be rich, you may come from privilege, you may go to all the schools, you may do, but you cannot outwork me, and you cannot outpray me, and you cannot outwork me in doing the things of God or doing spiritual things. So I put in all the effort. When I come in here, I don't see anybody. I don't see you. I'm not seeing you. Like, I'm not seeing you. I don't care. Who do you think you are? Did you feed me? Did you make my finger grow? Did you add to my hair? Any strands on my hair? What? Are you okay? So I don't see you. I don't care. And most people are broke anyway. So why should I care about your broke ass self? I'm not interested. If it's a certain person that is talking to me or criticizing me, I will listen. Like, okay, this person must have something to say because this person is ahead of me. So I will listen, I'll pay attention to what the person is saying. It doesn't mean that some of the things that the critics are saying are not correct. For example, when people keep telling me, go and fix your teeth, I'm like, you should be stupid. To be stupid means you are slow in thinking. You are slow in comprehension. You'll be very stupid to see me have my teeth for 39 years of my life, and with all the things I've been saying, with the video you have been listening to not understand that this guy knows what he's doing. If he doesn't want to fix his teeth, maybe he's on purpose or he doesn't have the money or something, but you still come up and still talk about my teeth. So what does that one help me? It's just like saying, up NEPA. They will still take the light. It's Nigeria, you know. So why am I shouting up NEPA? So it doesn't add up. It doesn't affect me. It doesn't do anything to me. I don't care. You cannot beat me more than I can beat myself. I've already beaten myself before I came out. So what do you want to say? Why? Okay, I should be concerned about you do not believe what I am saying. Why should I care whether you believe or you don't believe? You are broke. Do I need to believe whether you are broke or not? I don't need it. You are rich. Do I need to believe that you are rich? I don't care. You went to school. Do you need my believing for you to agree that you go to school? I don't care. So it's a mindset. It's a mind and a setting. It's a mind and a setting. A mind and a programming. I have programmed myself like that. I did not come on the internet to come and play. I came here to influence people. I came here to change the status quo. I came here to scatter every rubbish that they believe over time. I came here to raise the bar. I'm just starting. This is child's play. I've not started. This is child's play. And I keep saying it. Some people think that, oh, you are trending now. Take advantage of the trend. I'm looking at the person like, you think I will trend and fade away? You are joking. I have prepared so well. I'm not a preparing man. I am a prepared man. I came prepared. I will trend for so long. So long.
What I'm asking, right? Sorry to cut you. I'm just saying, have there been moments where you've been affected by it?
I don't
know. Like, even if it's for like 5 minutes, or you wake up and see a video and small, is it anxiety attack or something before going and all of that?
No.
I'm truly impressed because most people, most people that bully you and myself, I don't believe, but I'm just saying, people like me, sometimes I admire people that can keep pushing in spite of the backlash, in spite of the bully. People bring your insecurity right to your face, whether they are right about it or not, whatever the judgment is, but that you keep going is what is impressive. And I joined your live, and while watching your live, I already saw slight bullying. I was like, wow, you kept going.
I don't care.
You kept going.
Where are the people bullying now? Where are they now? I've been streaming for hours. Some of them don't even have data to stay for 1 hour. Why should I care? You can't be the one casting the news and be the one watching the news at the same time. Choose where you want to be. Like, this thing is a mindset. How were you trained? I have trained myself in a special way. So if the person is trained anyhow and he wants to live his life anyhow, I don't care. Why should I care? Like, it doesn't add up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't show up anywhere in my life. I believe I've answered your question.
Oh, okay. All right. You've answered me. I guess it's the mindset that keeps you going. Your reason why. And then no voice, no contradiction, no bullying will stop you. And I'm impressed.
Like, I don't understand. Most of these people.
I hope you can see.
I hope what?
Some